Latin America is one of the most dangerous places to be a woman. Conservative attitudes, discrimination, restrictive laws, and religious bias have resulted in consistent region-wide violations of their sexual and reproductive rights. The consequences can be fatal. 17% of all maternal deaths in Latin America are attributed to unsafe abortion. Even in countries where abortion is legal, women are blatantly denied access to reproductive health services, information on reproductive rights, and protection from the legal system. They also face humiliation and stigma from the very institutions that are supposed to support them. In Mexico, a 13-year-old girl was raped by an intruder in her home. After filing a police report, she was not offered emergency contraception, as is mandated by law. After learning she was pregnant, she decided to have an abortion. Although she had a legal right to an abortion, public officials used various forms of deceit and lies to dissuade her from having the procedure. She was forced to give birth against her wishes. In another case, the Costa Rican government violated couples' rights by banning a fertility treatment known as in vitro fertilization, contending that life begins at conception. 10 couples filed a suit to defend their right to decide when and how to start a family. 9 years later, the Inter-American Court of Human Rights ruled the ban was a violation of human rights. This decision signals a changing tide in which human rights laws are properly applied to support women and their families. Where can a woman turn if the legal and medical professionals that are supposed to protect her are not fulfilling their mandates? The first and second Latin American legal conferences on reproductive rights brought together over 600 judges, lawyers, public health officials, scholars, and some of the foremost champions in the field to advance sexual and reproductive rights jurisprudence. The conferences, held in Peru and Costa Rica, provided a forum for unprecedented discussion, analysis, and training on topics such as international human rights law, bioethics, conscientious objection, informed consent, adolescents' right to reproductive health, and sexual violence. These historic conferences are shaping the debate on reproductive rights in Latin America. Progressive legislation is being proposed and supported. International human rights law is being applied to pressure governments to guarantee reproductive rights. For more information, to listen to conference presentations, or to download resources, visit our website. Join us for the fight in reproductive justice in Latin America at the 3rd Latin American Legal Conference on Reproductive Rights in Mexico in October 2013.